The business model is the core of Guesty's accounting feature. It converts the revenue sharing agreement between the PMC and the owner into concrete numbers, accurately balances income and expenses, generates the appropriate journal entry for each transaction, and automatically distributes the revenue between the PMC and the owner. The business model is part of Guesty's premium accounting feature, so if you would like to activate it, feel free to contact us. To begin setting up your business model in Guesty, navigate to the Business Model section in the Accounting Mode dropdown and select Add Business Model. Give the business model a name for internal use only to help you identify the model later on. When creating a business model, you can specify an activation date, which determines when it becomes active and applies to relevant listings. Reservations with check-in dates on or after this date will be included in owner statements and have accounting folios. If upcoming changes in the revenue share agreement with your owner are expected, create a business model with a future activation date and assign the listing to it. Another important piece of information to include in your business model is a description, a brief explanation to help you quickly identify the model in the posting journal. Next, in the commission breakdown, first determine the net rental income, which will be used to calculate the PMC commission. The default breakdown of the net rental income is the accommodation fare, but you can be more specific by adding a fee to be included in the calculation by clicking here, choosing from the available options, and clicking Save. Under Commission Setup, set the percentage of the commission to be shared between the PMC and the owner. Click here to determine the percentage the PMC receives from confirmed or canceled reservations. You can also assign specific PMC commissions based on the booking channel or manual source and choosing from the available options. The Trust Account Income section displays the different fee options that can be split between the PMC and the owner, as reflected in the revenue share agreement. When creating a recurring owner charge, note that these charges are not related to guests, but rather to PMC and owner purposes only. You can use this feature to charge the owner on a recurring basis, specifying the frequency and amount. If funds are available in the trust account for the owner, the recurring charge will be deducted from their balance. When you create a new additional fee, a new version of your existing business models will be created, with the fee added as 100% revenue to you. You can update the commission calculations as needed. Changes to the name or type of an existing fee will also be treated as a new fee. When it comes to trust account expenses, you can choose how to split the payment for booking channels commissions between the PMC and the owner, based on your setup in Guesty. If you have any expenses that happen repeatedly, you can set up a recurring expense and choose who should pay the charge, how often, and the relevant vendor. Once your business model is created, you can assign it to all of the relevant listings to ensure that any action on the listing will be processed accordingly. Business models cannot be deleted, but they can be edited to indicate they are no longer in use, such as by adding "not in use" to the title. Use the filter on the Business Models page to exclude these unused models from the list. And that's it. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.